Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm gonna let you guys know how can you play music through mic on Roblox. In order to play music through mic on Roblox, you need to follow the steps. There's no direct way, so you need to use other application or the third-party tool. So first thing first, go ahead and open up a browser and type in voicemod.net. Here you want to go ahead and click on get voice mode for free and then install it. After that, you want to go ahead and install it. Click on the download icon and make sure that it's actually downloading and run the installation program. Here you just have to go ahead and make sure to tap on the next button, and next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and select the folder where you actually want to locate it. So click on the OK button once you're done, and as it is done installing, this is how it's gonna look like. Here you want to go ahead and make sure to check whether it's actually set up or not. Now once it is actually set up, you want to go ahead and open up your Roblox and go to settings. When you go to settings, here you want to go to output devices and locate the particular file that you recently installed. Now this way you'll be able to play music through mic on Roblox. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.